Okay, we're going to try to measure some of these resistances. Let me try the 120. I'll try it on that scale, see if it works any better. 120 is reading 123. We can drop a scale and see if it works. It's been 120. We'll call it 120. 123.6, 120, about 124. Let's go to the 680 and see if I can get a reading off of that one. Having trouble with the springs; those don't work very well. Let me see if I can get it right off the pins of the resistor. And 693, 692. Let's go to the 2200 and read that one. Oh, got it. Got to go up a scale. That's why I wouldn't read. 2.23. The next one I'm going to skip because that's you're supposed to figure it out from the color code. The 10K is 9.87, 9.87 we'll call it. The next one you were supposed to figure out, I'll do the 100K. We'll have to go to 200 for that. Let's do the 100K. And it's 98.8. Well, now it's jumping. Let's try that again. 98.7. And then the 470, we're going to have to crank it up to that last setting. And 472. All right. I'll have a little assignment for you to check the tolerances. They were supposed to be within 5%. Let's see if they're true. Okay.